Hello, ESU family and friends. My name is Pete Rydberg, Director of Theater at Emporia State University, and I am reaching out today with 5 easy steps to get your own stream pass for this weekend's production of The Wolves by Sarah DeLapp. And will also get you ready to get streaming passes for Endgame in April and all of our future shows, including our summer musical this year. So we figured now would be a great time to bring in a quick little tutorial. So I'm going to share my screen, and all you have to do is go to your very favorite interwebs browser. In the search bar, what you'll want to type is emporia.booktix.com. It looks just like this. EMPORIA. Oh, and now we'll get in the search bar. EMPORIA at .booktix.com. You hit return. It'll bring you to the splash page for our theater. If you have any questions, down at the bottom, you can see contact information to reach out if you have any questions. But here you have our two main stage shows, The Wolves and Endgame. And eventually the musical will appear here as well for the summer. But let's plan on going to see the show in our living room this weekend. That will be The Wolves. We're going to hit view performances. And how do I get my stream pass, you ask? Well, just like a pay-per-view fight, you pick the specific day and time you're going to be watching. I like opening nights, so I'm going to select Friday, March 5th, 2021 at 7:30 p.m. I'm just going to get one stream pass. Everyone in my house, which is both me and my dog, will just watch it together. So there's no reason to get two stream passes. One will do. And then you hit purchase tickets. Easy so far. It will ask, what level of ticket do you want? We have general admission, seniors and ESU employees, and then non-ESU students, right? I'll go ahead and select ESU employees. For those of you who might be ESU students, your instructions are right up here at the top. You come into the theater office to get your free ticket, right? All of our other patrons will follow these instructions. So now that I've selected my senior and ESU tiered ticket, I'm just going to add that to my cart. Lo and behold, there it is. I have a cart with The Wolves for Friday, March 5th at 7:30 p.m. There is a $1 streaming fee that is from the company and not from us, but it makes this amazing technology able to sail into your homes. And once you have your stream pass, all you have to do is click Checkout Now, and you will create an account so that not only we can send you your pass via email, but so that there is security in the transaction. If you have your account already created and you're going to pick up tickets for Endgame or the summer musical, you'll be able to sign in just here with your existing account. And it is just that easy. And all I can say is if you have any questions, please contact us. The system is incredibly simple, but it is new. And we want everyone to be able to access this extraordinary show. So Friday and Saturday at 7:30 p.m., Sunday at 2 o'clock p.m. this weekend, Friday, March 5th, Saturday, March 6th, and Sunday, March 7th. We hope that you can join us for this special streaming event. Until then, have wonderful days. Bye-bye.